Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today I'm going to make a quick video about how to download and create bootable USB drive for Windows 10 totally free. I'm on my desktop PC. Today we are going to make a video for desktop PC. Another day I will also show how to create bootable disk on MacBook. But I'm on my desktop PC right now and I have a Google Chrome open. First we're gonna type here download Windows 10. Doesn't matter, you can type anyway, but I can also leave a link in description. You can click on the link and it will open this website. First, you have to make sure you are going to click on the Microsoft.com. You're not going to click any other. So here first we're going to click on download Windows 10 disk image. You click here, there's a couple options. First option is update now. If you want to update your current window, you can just simply click here. You can start straight up updating your window. But we are going to create Windows 10 installation media USB disk. So we are going to click on download now. So as you click on the download now, there will be the media creation tool will start downloading. As soon as start, we have to install media creation tool, which one going to create our USB disk. You click here. We're gonna say yes. We have to give permission. So here, one thing you need to make sure you have to have a more than 4 GB. You need to have like 8 GB, 16 GB, whatever USB drive fully formatted and connected to your PC. At this time, I don't have any USB drive connected, but taking some steps, I'm gonna connect right now because I don't have any USB drive. So I was looking for USB drive. I have it connected already, as you can see here. As I said, you need a USB drive, like you need at least 5-6 GB. As soon as I have it connected, it took some process. We're gonna say accept. You're gonna take some time to verify the media creation. I said getting a few things ready. If you have a USB drive not format, it's really easy. You can go to your folder thing. I have a USB drive here. I have a like my stuff, logo stuff inside. You're just gonna click here, right? And you can click on format. And here you can choose the way you want to format. You can do NTFS, quick format. You want slow format, just click on the format and we'll take to the format. Here, another option, upgrade this PC now. No, we are going to create installation media. Just click on next. Here, Windows 10 64. I'm gonna unclick this one. Up to you. You wanna keep it because here, if you do, you wanna keep. It will not let you change anything. If you uncheck, you can change from here. You wanna do both, one, whatever. You can make some changes. I'm gonna leave it the same. You click next. Now here USB flash drive. If you have like a DVD or a CD drive, you can click here and I'm gonna click a USB flash drive. Next, here it says no label. You can choose and click on next. Here it's gonna take some time. It might take maybe like 10 to 15 minutes. Process 0. You're gonna let them 100%. It will go 100% once again and it will create Windows USB flash drive. When you finish, you can connect to any desktop PC and you have to restart and press any short key will take to boot from the USB drive and your computer will boot from the USB drive and you will be able to install Windows totally fresh. It's 1%. It's gonna take 15 to 20 minutes for sure, and we will come back after that time. Now it's been already 20 minutes. Process is done already. I have a closed. We're gonna close this. We don't need any more. You click here on the folder again. We are going to look for, as you can see, I have a changed name already. Now this USB drive say ESD USB. You're gonna change name. You will see those files inside. That's all you need. Now you can eject this one from your PC, and this USB drive is ready to use for bootable desk, and you can install and upload new window on the computer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.